Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have yet another Goodwill Bluebox unboxing.
And we still have scissors.
Oh my God. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller. I work full-time at the post office. This is my daughter, Athena Rose.
I'm just the daughter. There's nothing special.
Anyways, we have another one. This is one that we haven't been able to grab until now. It is out of Lake Worth, Florida. It is the vintage wholesale mystery box. I believe it's $49.99 and $5 shipping. But that day I had a 20% off coupon because I signed up for the secret drop, and I don't know if it had to do with it, but I got an email asking me to fill out a survey, which I did, and then I got a discount code, which I got 20% off. So I was like, yay! So I actually got to use it on both boxes that I did that day. The other one just hasn't made it here yet, but this is our vintage wholesale mystery box. Pop it open. It's rather big. I believe it is, how many pieces? I think it's supposed to just be 20 pieces, but this is the biggest box that we've had yet. Maybe more.
We'll find out.
Let's see.
That was really fast this time.
Yeah. Okay, here it is. Actually, it's both boxes in here. That's why it's so big. Okay, the vintage wholesale mystery box. 10 pieces. Okay, 10 pieces. And then I've got a women's basic apparel box. So I guess we're gonna unbox them together. Okay. So this isn't vintage, but it is a Victoria's Secret sequin bag. Still got the $58 price tag. I'd say this is probably, ooh, there's a little dead bug in there. But I will check it out and make sure the rest of it is clean. Anyways, it's very cute. It's got that heart. So,
It's a dress. Dressy dress.
what does it say? It says motto. Stretchy. It's made in India. But I'm guessing this top part is our basic apparel box.
Oh,
There should be...
okay.
do you remember how many is usually in a basic apparel? Is it usually like 10 to 12, I think? So, this is papaya. This is the tag. It is just a, looks like a little zip up sporty athletic cotton dress.
This is a tank top.
It is Isaac Mizrahi Live. Actually, I like that. I might actually wear that. It is a size medium women's basic apparel box. So, let's see what else we got. What is that? Is Japna? I don't know. It is a striped, well, just a little blouse, I guess. I guess it could be a dress, small dress. I doubt it though. What does that say? D & Co. It's beach. Oh, that's kind of cool. Feels good. Does it feel like it's been washed? What I got here? Elon? Yes. They are kind of thin, but they are just kind of like...
I like how they are at the bottom.
Yeah, they're almost like palazzo, but... I mean, wide leg pants, but they have a little bit of a smocky and elastic at the bottom.
If they weren't green, I'd wear them.
Yay, my turn. Your turn.
Lucky things. Simply silk.
Is it actually silk?
100% silk.
100%. There's a couple of snags. Oh, spots too. I never heard of that brand. All right, what is this? Unji. It is just a little cotton with lace at the bottom. Just a little, probably sleeveless dress. Okay. Next.
We're getting all the tank tops.
White Stag. It's Walmart. That's a Walmart. How many we got so far? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm guessing that's probably going to be our women's apparel because I'm not sure the rest of this. I think the rest is probably going to end up being, nope, that's still part of the women's apparel. It's V11. Forever 21, little ribbed turtleneck, stretchy turtleneck.
That's cute.
It has probably the vintage part.
Hat.
Hold on, that's probably the vintage part of it.
No
Apartment
hat.
9, size medium. This would be number 12. I kind of like that print. Real pretty purple. We're still not to the vintage, so express size medium. Medium. It's got the tie sides right here. And it's purple. And that's probably it. So what is that, like 14 actually? Did we get 14 of the women's size medium? Anyways, I think we're to the vintage part now.
Can I show off your hat
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Buffaloes.
Buffaloes. I don't know, I wouldn't consider that vintage. Now this one might be. It's still in the plastic. Looks like an African shirt of some sort. It is Fruit of the Loom heavy cotton, but this is a single stitch tee. We're gonna open this real fast. What are you doing?
Scary.
Yeah, it is. It's a single stitch tee. Imagine image wear. I guess I can open it and show you the actual t-shirt, right? It's kind of cool. I like the colors. I'm all for the colors. Instruments from the earth. Cool. Interesting. A Mickey tee. Got some spots at the bottom. But it is a vintage tee though. So I bet this would do pretty good. I don't know if there's stains aren't terrible though. Feels good. Atlanta Champion extra large. This is a single stitch tee as well. It's got a little flag on it. Doesn't look bad. Interesting.
Well, we will find out. Okay, this says, you know what, I can't read, so.
Metropolitan African Methodist Episcopal Church. All right.
What she said.
So this is part of our vintage, I guess. It's not even vintage, so I'm kind of disappointed in that one. So you do it. These are a pair of bongo jeans. They
my size.
probably not. They're tiny. They look super tiny, but
Yeah.
they are a mom jean.
I like that.
They look like they're in very good condition. These actually probably will do pretty well. It is a size 11L. I don't see any stains on it though. What is it? They're not going to fit you.
No, I was telling you to.
Ooh, I like that. What is
Ooh,
that?
I actually didn't have this one.
Ooh, what is that?
Ooh, Gucci.
No way. No way this is Gucci, y'all. No freaking way. And vintage Gucci at that, maybe. Are you
That
serious?
cannot be.
It feels freaking fantastic.
It's because of that sound I listened to, the money sound.
The money sound. What are you talking
The
about?
one I was talking about yesterday.
Oh, I don't know, but oh my God.
I'm bringing everybody good luck.
No stinking way. I've got to get this authenticated, but it feels really good. Barely any peeling. Where's the rest of the tags? That's the only tag that's on here. That's not, no way that's Gucci. If there's not any other tags. Surely not. What if they're in the pockets? But that feels, it feels like it.
It feels so nice.
It feels nice, y'all.
I shouldn't even be touching this.
I'm gonna put it on. Can I put it on? Oh my
I
God.
gotta wear it in the thumbnail.
Oh. Okay, this is, Oh my God, and it fits so perfectly. It's got pockets. Even if it's not, okay, if it's not real, it's mine. Okay, proceed. Proceed. That makes the whole church t-shirt like, well worth it. Ooh, what is that? It's a cut-off denim jacket. Levi's. That's not bad, actually. Not as good as this Gucci sweater if it's real, but I'd say that's okay.
That's what I was wanting you to grab earlier.
You grab it. You do it.
I wanted you to grab it.
Why?
What size?
This is, ew, it's a little dingy. I wonder if we can get that out though. I don't see any tags. It's okay. We might could paint swatch it or something, but I don't even see any brands on it. So
okay, now I'll grab this one. Ooh, that's cute.
Tommy Hilfiger. It is just a little sweater, sleeveless sweater.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're gonna be a sweater vest kind of girl.
I kind of want to.
Move that box. Only one more thing, and it's pretty crappy. So they are really ugly, dirty, stained chaps, Ralph Lauren jeans. So maybe they felt really bad about everything else and they gave me this. Oh my God, it feels so good.
There's no way though.
There's no way. It feels like, doesn't feel like cashmere. It feels a little, but not really. It feels like it's got nylon in it, and that's what gives it the smooth appearance, but it's so high quality. Not really, no. Anyways, I am gonna find some tags on this bad boy or girl. And just don't know. It's like, surely not. Is that mended? It looks like it might have been mended right here.
Yeah, a little bit.
Looks like it may have been mended on the inside. Other than that, it looks great. No holes. Where are the tags? Seriously. No, just the one. Whew. I'm gonna check this baby out. We can find something that's similar to it. That can't be right. That's not right. Yeah, because there's no other tags in here.
Hopes up.
I know, I got my hopes up. But it is actually pretty nice. Might wear it for Christmas. Too bad it's probably not real. But
Hopefully, yes.
hopefully, yes. I wouldn't even know how to price something that's Gucci, to be honest. So, so how many vintage pieces did we get? We got 1,
2, 3,
4, 5, 6. I don't want to count that. 7, 8, 9, 10 for the white shirt, and 11. So I guess that wouldn't be counted. So we were supposed to get 10. We did get 10. We got more than what we probably should have on the women's box. The things that I really liked, would say the sweater for sure. Maybe the Victoria's Secret bag. What would you say? Probably the Levi's vest. That's 3.
I like the jeans.
The bongo jeans. That's 4.
I would wear them.
If they fit you, yeah.
But they don't.
The Mickey t-shirt. Probably, even though there's a little stain, it is vintage. It is single stitch. I mean, even the Atlanta t-shirt, but there's a small spot on it. But yeah, I'd say at least 4 good things out of all of this. Usually the women's basic apparel boxes are $24.99 plus the $5 shipping. And then I want to say the vintage wholesale box was $49.99. I will insert a picture of what it's supposed to be, but I used a coupon on both of these. Brought my total down to $59.99 plus the $10 shipping, so that's $69.99. So yeah, this actually came from Gulfstream. So that's actually where this stuff originated from and where they're based out of. And then I think they fulfill through other locations as well. The last one we had was out of Hackensack, New Jersey, which didn't turn out too good. But as soon as I posted the video, like literally, I think they were being proactive. If you watch that previous video, you'll see that they did refund my money without me even reaching out. So that was fantastic. So yeah, okay, I gotta check this out now.
We should get another one of these boxes.
I know we should totally do. Tomorrow it's live again. Today is Thursday. I probably won't get this posted tonight though. So I just wanted to pop on here and tell you why I think it's fake. I didn't have it professionally authenticated, but I did reach out to a Lux, somebody who is a Lux expert, and she actually does authentications, and she told me it was obviously fake. After doing some research, I've realized probably why. On clothing, I just wanted to share what I found. On clothing, this stitching right here should always be red. I don't know what it's like on everything else, but on the clothing, the stitching should always be red. There should always be a Made in Italy tag attached to it. Most of the font looks pretty good. I think they say the C's and the G's are supposed to be, they're supposed to look like they go almost in a complete circle. Like if they continued, they'd be in a circle. The U is always going to be thicker on one side than it is the other. But this is what looks a little bit different is the I. I believe the top of the I is supposed to be really thin. Instead, you know, this looks a little sloppy and a little thick. That's just what I found. If anybody else has any input of why it's obviously probably fake, just let me know. But otherwise, I still am happy with it. It's very comfortable and I will wear it. It'll be mine. It's gonna be my new Christmas sweater. I guess my bougie sweater. If I want to feel bougie, I can wear it so I can feel bougie. You all have a great evening or day or morning
Or night.
or weekend or week or month
Or
year. Surely I'll get this posted, you know, by the end of the year. Anyways, if you like reseller content like this, haul videos, mystery boxes, be sure and like and subscribe below. And
looking at you.
Be sure and like and subscribe below. And if you hit that notification bell, they'll let you know as soon as we post a new video. So y'all have a great day.